Shipping containers are highly portable and can be transported to any remote site and hoisted into place to build a container home. In this video, we bring to you an off-grid container tiny home in Mansfield, Australia, ideal for adventure lovers. Welcome back. Perched spectacularly atop rolling hills, these stunningly converted shipping containers are truly unique and perfect for wild adventure. This tiny home is made up of two separate containers. The containers are arranged in an L-shaped layout, strategically oriented to enjoy the panoramic views of Mount Buller and the undulating landscape. Each container is designed the exact same way with the intention to function interchangeably and can be relocated to a new site using a truck without any amendments. One of the containers functions as a living module with a kitchen, and the second one is used as a sleeping module. The interior of each module is insulated and lined with plywood walls and wooden floors to create a cozy and warm interior space. The living module has a big wood-burning stove for cooking and to keep the house warm during chilly weather. The kitchen is a small, compact space with essential kitchen appliances to prepare a meal and adequate plywood shelves for storage. A folding table fixed on the wall folds down to serve as additional kitchen counter space or a dining table that can comfortably sit four. There is a sizable bathroom space of the kitchen area with a shower, a toilet, and a wash-hand basin. Each module has a bathroom and a double bed that folds away into the wall for extra space during the day. The sleeping module is also fitted with a triple bunk that folds from the wall to create additional sleeping space. The multifunctional nature of all the furniture in the house makes the spaces so versatile for many uses depending on need. Designed to be part of nature, the living module has a big retractable deck operated by heavy-duty hydraulic winches. Similarly, the glazed wall can be lifted open with hydraulic winches to double up the indoor living space, creating a bright indoor living with a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. The hydraulic window remains fixed and closed at all times for safety reasons, while the deck remains permanently open to keep the tiny home true to its off-grid nature. Every glazed opening is fitted with a steel mesh to protect the glass and to help sunshade the indoor spaces from direct solar radiation. The operable nature of the container modules makes the indoor space conducive at all times. Next to the deck, there is an outdoor fireplace, a nice outdoor space to snuggle up next to at night as you enjoy looking at the stars. There is enough room for sitting, for lounging, and outdoor dining with a barbecue grill for evening cookouts to get you into a holiday mood. The home is totally off-grid and self-sufficient with rainwater harvesting and solar-powered. From outside, there is no secret that this tiny home is built using shipping containers. The container house is painted gray to be recessive with the leafy environment. Overall, the house has been built with high-quality workmanship and functionality in mind. It is also listed as a rental on Airbnb starting at $264 per night. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If this is the first time you are watching a video from our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.